Smokeless chimney, Octoring post caps, the best flames on the net. I had to make a very special part. It's very important, but I needed several of them. So I designed this part, and this is how it works. There's 16 of them on an Octoring. They hold the fence panels, which are on the side, and they hold the posts. This part had to be precision designed so that all the fasteners would fit. It has 4 threaded inserts that are heat applied into it. I worked to make sure everything fits, and I'm not sure everything does until I get it all together, but I have to make 16 of these before I will know. I'll show you how I did it. The part is 3D printed and weighs 8 grams, has 4 heated inserts. You can see how it holds a clear fence panel on the right, and there'll be fasteners into it. It'll hold everything together, and if the Octoring is dropped or hits something, it will take a lot of stress. And it's okay, because if this part breaks, we can make more. You can see here that it's, I would say, a precision engineered part with specific holes and made so that it can clamp onto a pipe. It's very small. I can get my thumb in that hole, but it's pretty small. Let's get this part ready to 3D print. It takes about 1 hour to print one of these, and I use ABS and the gyroid infill. I like 3 shells, and there's a part on here. I wanted to make sure I had 4 lines of filament at this part, because I didn't want this to be the weakest part on the part. I think I can get 9 on a sheet, and you can see it's designed to clamp down and move on one side, and it's got a thinner area on the back. This is a jig I made so that I could put the heated inserts in. The part is not easy to put 3D printed inserts, and they take quite a bit of force to install them. So I made this part so that we could do it. Here we have the real world. It is speeded up 2.5 times. It's an M3 heated insert, and it requires a fair amount of force to install. Now, there's some debate on this. You could have a hotter installer. You could have a wider hole. I run my heated insert device at 151 degrees C. And it works for me. I may change it, but this is the current. So this is an odd-shaped part, and we have to get these heated inserts in them relatively quickly. And they need to be flush with the surface for the most part. My device is a modified drill press. Just to give you some scale, that block of wood is 6 inches by 6 inches. So we're working on a 6-inch by 6-inch tabletop. I'll do another one here. The jig is in white, 3D printed. We went over that. The part is black, and we are installing threaded inserts at 151 degrees C. If you have different temperatures that work for you. I would like to know about it. But these seem to go in real nice. And the jig seems to work well as well. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Smokeless Chimney, www.smokelesschimney.com, Facebook, Reddit, and YouTube.